Hi everyone, Justin here, and what I want to do is go over a little kind of fun task that maybe you could do since spring break is coming up, or Easter trips, other kind of things that help students learn about creating maps and sharing information with one another. So what we can use is a thing called Google My Maps. And in Google My Maps, you can actually create a map. So for example, let's say I click on create a new map. When I do that, what it lets me do is I can come in here. I can see a little untitled map comes up. Now I can click it and name it something. So spring break 2021. All right. I can add a little description. Now in here, students have a couple different options. What they have is there's a layer here. So maybe I'm going to come in here. I'm going to rename this layer. I could say destinations. What I can do is I can add places to this. Now, there's a bunch of different things I can do. I can actually just scroll into somewhere. Let's go down to Chicago maybe. I can go down here. I can scroll into what I'm looking for. I can find a spot. And if I wanted, I can actually grab a little add a marker, click where I want to go. And maybe I say Navy Pier. I can add a destination of a place I'd like to go. Now, I can do more things than that if I wanted. Once I put that in, I can hit the little edit. I can add more information. Right. Oh, gotta spell it right. So I can add that in. I could add a picture if I wanted to, so students could save a picture, then upload it. Kind of cool things that you can kind of do. So I can add places by doing that little add marker. Now, another thing I can do is if I already know the address, I can actually change that up a little bit. So for example, let's see here. Let me switch tabs. I can have, here is some fun different places that you can go. And maybe I want to go check out Captain James T. Kirk's future birthplace. All right. And that is in Riverside, Iowa. So if I come back over here, I can say, how about Riverside, Iowa? Click my destination. I can see that comes up, and I can say add to map. I click my little pencil. I can say, why do I want to go there? I would like to visit Captain Kirk's future birthplace. I'll hit save. And now I have another destination in there. So students can create a map of all kinds of different spots, places they would like to go. Now, the cool thing is, once this is kind of done and the student gets it wrapped up with their different locations, all right? Oh, I forgot to show this. When you're in a spot, though, you can also change to like a satellite view so they can actually see what it looks like, too. It's kind of a little more fun. Now, once the student's done, they can hit share. It says, how do you want to share this? Now, since I am in a school, I can say, you know what, I'm going to change this to anyone with the link. So right now it's set so that if I give that link to anyone else, anyone who's in my home district, they'll have access. Otherwise, I can click this down and say anyone with the link. So that way I can share it with a lot of people outside of just my school. Now, a student can take that link and they can turn that into Google Classroom to an assignment. So students can create a cool little map that they can share with each other and share with you to do different locations. Now, I did this for fun for a spring break thing, but imagine if you did this a lot differently. This would be a really neat way if you're a history teacher. You could map out different locations that go along with the Civil War. With people going out west, you could have them create a map of the Oregon Trail, places they would go. If you're teaching other kind of subjects, you could have, especially like in English, maybe you're reading a certain book, you could have them map out certain places from that. Or maybe it's homes of certain authors. Lots of really cool options that you have doing this map. So once again, this is just Google My Maps or mymaps.google.com. And this will get you all kinds of really cool projects that you can have students do. I hope you find this useful and have a great day.